The Prayer Workshop. My name is Carolyn Cowan. I am a trauma therapist and I'm also a Kundalini Global teacher, and I'm very fascinated by our relationship to longing and belonging and gratitude and affirmation. And for several years now I have run this very extraordinary 5-part 2-hour workshop. It's only on Zoom. It's only on Zoom. 5 2-hour episodes, and each episode explores a different type of prayer. So you might be really anti-God, you might be really anti-religion, but the first episode does explore that ceramic model. Alan Watts named it so, the ceramic model. I think it was Alan Watts. It might have been Peter Kingsley. The ceramic model basically says we're small and God is big. And therefore we have to ask very nicely. But whatever you believe about that, negative or good, there are some extraordinary ways to experience the more traditional versions of prayer. From there, the episodes change quite drastically, and all the subsequent episodes explore different ways of basically emanating or experiencing yourself in an embodied way as a prayer. And so it's quite an extraordinary experience. It's always in the dark, in a sense. It's done in the dark light if you're in the Northern Hemisphere. So it's always in the build-up and around Christmas. It's always on a Sunday evening, which in the psychology of some of us who remember when Sundays were sacrosanct and sacred, to do the prayer workshop it's an extraordinary experience. It's very different to any of the other workshops that I run. And it's only on Zoom, and you have two options. If you live in England particularly and in Europe, you can buy the kit, and the kit has the bits and pieces in it that I will use during the 5 episodes to facilitate prayer. So the kit includes a sage wand, some incense, frankincense, mugwort and ceremonial cacao, and a very beautiful small altar. You don't have to have the kit. If you don't want the kit, you will be sent the instructions when you sign up as to what else you might need. So in this curious time, in this, I don't know how it is for you. Is it stressful? Are you anxious? I have no idea. The prayer workshop it's a very extraordinary experience. It really is. So you could be intrigued and you might join me.